sheet and calculate the cost of following item of work from the lead statement of materials and labor charges given below. Material cost of material at source, lead in kilometers and conveyance charges for different materials are given in this table. And the item of work is random rubble stone masonry for 1 cubic meter. The rough stone, CM, mason, mazur, sunrise. This data is given, and also labor charges, wages for different types of workers given, and mixing charges for cement mortar is 90. Calculate the random rubble stone masonry cost per 1 cubic meter. Prepare this table: quantity, material, rate per amount, and enter the data given in the question. Quantity 1.10 cubic meter rough stone, 0.34 cubic meter cement mortar, 1:6 proportion. 1.8 numbers mason is given, out of which 30% is taken for first class mason and 70% is for second class mason. 1.8 into 30% means 0.3 is equal to 0.54 numbers mason first class, 70% means 1.8 into 0.7 is equal to 1.26 numbers mason second class. 2.8 numbers are mazdoors. Calculate the rates of rough stone, cement mortar 1:6. Sand. Its cost at source is 605 rupees. It is taken in metal road and also in a sandy track road. So for a sandy track, increase the lead by 40%. Equivalent lead is actual lead into 1.4. 1.4 is the factor. 3 into 1.4 plus metal road distance is 8 kilometers. So 8 plus 3 into 1.4, which is equal to 12.2 kilometers. Its total conveyance charge is calculated from these two columns data. So here conveyance charge is given for different kilometers. There are different rates. So up to 5 kilometers, the conveyance charge is 96 rupees. For every kilometer beyond 5 kilometers and up to 30 kilometers is 14.40 paisa. Therefore, this is equivalent lead is 12.2 kilometers. For up to 5 kilometers, the rate is 96 rupees. So beyond 5 kilometers, 12.2 kilometers minus 5 kilometers into 14.40. Therefore, total conveyance charge is 583.68 paisa. Cost of material at site is equal to 605 plus 583.68. Total cost is equal to 1188.68 paisa. We can round it to 1189 rupees. Cost of the cement at site is 4,300 rupees per metric ton. So there is no equivalent lead and the total conveyance charges. So it is 4,300 rupees per metric ton. So 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs. 1 cubic meter volume of cement weighs 1440 kgs. So 1 kg is equal to 1 by 1440 cubic meter volume. So substitute this here. 4 6,300 rupees divided by 1000 into 1 kg is equal to 1 divided by 1440, which is equal to 6,192 rupees per cubic meter. 6,192 rupees per cubic meter. Next one is rough stone. Rough stone cost at source is 200 rupees per cubic meter. Metal road distance is 17 kilometers. Car track is 2 kilometers. To find the equivalent lead, 17 plus 2 is the car track distance. So we have to take 1.1 factor, 10% increment, which is equal to 19.2 kilometers. And total conveyance charges are 5 kilometers into 92.40 paisa plus 19.2 minus 5 into 13.90 paisa, which is equal to 659.38 rupees. The total cost at the site is equal to 200 rupees plus 659.38. Total cost is 859.38, so round it to 860 rupees per cubic meter. Prepare the data for cement mortar 1:6. Here 1 is cement and 6 is sand. For 1 bowl of cement, 6 bowls of sand is required. For 1 cubic meter sand, cement quantity is 1/6 cubic meter. Sand rate is 1189 rupees. Cement rate is 6,192 rupees. For 1 cubic meter, mixing charges ₹90. Amount is 1 into 1189 rupees is equal to 1189 rupees. 1/6 into 1/6 quantity into rate, 6,192 rupees per 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,032 rupees. Mixing charges are 1 into 90 rupees. Total amount is 1189 plus 1032 plus 90 rupees, 2311 rupees. As per the calculation, rough stone rate is 860 rupees per cubic meter and cement mortar 1:6 proportion rate is 2311 rupees per cubic meter. Mason first class wage is 630 rupees per 1 day and Mason second class wage is 565 rupees per 1 day. Amount is 1.1 into 860 is equal to 946 rupees 0.34 into 2311 rupees is equal to 785 rupees 74 paisa. 0.54 into 630 is equal to 340 rupees 20 paisa. Mason second class, (1.26 into 565 is equal to 711 rupees 90 paisa. Mazdur's wages 525 rupees per day. 2.8 into 525 is equal to 1470 rupees. So we get the total value of amount is 4253 rupees 84 paisa. Add sundries 6 rupees 16 paisa. Total cost of random double stone masonry is equal to 4260 rupees per cubic meter.